Today, I want to talk to you about the difficult decisions you have to make in your business. We're talking about quality versus cost. And I also want to talk about time. So quality, cost, and time are very intertwined. Okay. Today, we are talking about quality and cost and time and how it's a very difficult decision to make in your business. So one of the things that entrepreneurs in general, myself included, do is they focus on doing things themselves. And part of the reason is because this is free, right? And I have a lot of conversations about this with people as they're trying to decide who they want to hire to do things for their business. Social media management, YouTube, et cetera, et cetera. They ask for my advice and then make a decision. And sometimes we're in a position where we have no choice but to go with the cheapest option. And for a lot of us, the cheapest option is us. Free, right? And some of you have heard my story before about how it took me 4 years and 33 days to understand how YouTube worked and actually start to make progress. And now I have a channel that can be monetized. I'm not currently monetized because I like the fact that I can say that without being monetized, I make money every week from YouTube. I make money from YouTube every single week. I have a system that works and I've been able to help other people use YouTube to find their clients. But it took me 4 years and 33 days to do it wrong. And so today I want to talk to you a little bit about quality versus cost. When you are trying to do something that you do not know anything about, your quality is not going to be as good. Period. It's just not. You're going to suffer like I did, and it's going to take a long time. When you hire someone who actually knows what they're doing, they're going to give you a better quality. It will happen faster. Guys, these are so intertwined. Assuming that you hire someone who knows what they're doing. So there's a middle ground here. Some of you will decide you need to have something done. And you will talk to several people to have it done. You decide, I'm not going to do it myself anymore. I'm going to have someone else help me. And that's a really good intention because you can get stuff done faster when you're leaning into your expertise and you have other people with you that are leaning into theirs. You will get there faster. But then you end up going with the cheapest option. Now, I'm not always saying that the most expensive option is the best. Sometimes the cheapest option might be the best. But think about their expertise. If you're hiring someone who is an email marketer to run your YouTube channel, that's not their expertise. They may be cheaper than someone who actually is leaning into YouTube, but they're not going to get you there as fast as you could. So I guess the question I have for you today is, are you willing to trade time for money? Because you have to. One way or another, you are trading time for money. If you have someone who knows what they're doing, they're going to cost more. They're also going to get you there faster. If you have someone who doesn't know what they're doing, whether that's you or someone else, it is going to cost you more time and maybe less money. So what I'm saying today is you to really sit down and think about what speed you want your business to grow. And then decide how you want to make that happen. A lot of the times this comes down to stop doing so many darn things. Because if you do one thing really well, that one thing can generate a business fast. And it doesn't matter what that one thing is. Of course, I would want it to be YouTube. I think YouTube is excellent. There's tons of reasons. You can go back and watch other videos. We can discuss it on another video. But it might be that you're a great blogger or that you hire someone who's a great blogger and that gets you seen on Google. And that is the thing that grows your business. It could be that you lean into Facebook groups and you start paying for Facebook group posting and you grow your Facebook group yourself and you get access to tons of clients. It could be that you have the best email marketer in the world and every single time you send an email, you get sales. And so all you have to do is grow your email list. It could be that you put out tons of amazing content for video where you have someone who helps you with that. That would be me. And you make a huge success on YouTube because YouTube is the second largest search engine. The only one that's larger is Google, and YouTube and Google are in bed together. That means when you show up on YouTube, you show up on Google. Any of those are legitimate ways to grow your business. The problem is so many of us are trying to do them all, and we are doing them all poorly because our quality sucks. Just what I want to talk to you about today is the reason that your business isn't growing as fast as you want, because you are paying either in time or money, for someone that doesn't have as high of a quality? And if the answer is, Elise, that's me, I'm not putting out quality, you may want to reconsider how you're running your business. Guys, of course, I always want to push you to YouTube, but that's not the point of this video. I am so sick of seeing so many of us struggle so hard and not get where we need to be. My personal goal is to help as many people as possible in whatever ways I can get the success that they're looking for. Help the people that they want to help. And so that's what I'm here for. If you have questions, you can post them up here. If you want to know more about YouTube and how it can help you grow your business, of course, I'm here for that as well. If you are not a member of the Facebook group, or if you know someone who's a business owner who is not a member of the Facebook group, invite them. Facebook.com/groups/MSBizzers is the group. I'll put a link here in the video. Guys, I hope to see you again next time. I am so glad that we get to live our dreams together every single day. Bye.